We're looking at homework from section 7.2. This is question number 12. Use technology to help you test a claim about the population mean mu at the given level of significance alpha. Use the given sample statistics. Assume the population is normally distributed. So first, we want to identify the null and alternative hypotheses. So our claim here is that mu is greater than 1170. Because there's no equality in this, that is an HA. The complementary hypothesis to that would be mu less than or equal to 1170, which would be our H naught. Once we know the HA, we know what kind of test we have, and this HA greater than is a right-tailed test. Next, we want to calculate the standardized test statistic. To do that, we have to find Z. Z equals x bar minus mu of x bar over sigma of x bar. The x bar was given to us as 1204.24. The mu, we're using the 1170. Sigma is 213.39, and the n is 200. We use our calculator to find a z-score of 2.269210009. Rounded to 2 decimal places is 2.27. So that's our standardized test statistic. We'll make a little bit more room to do a little bit more work. Now we want to determine the critical value and select the correct choice below. Well, because this is a right-tailed test, we have to use 1 minus alpha to help us find our critical values. So 1 minus alpha is 0.9600. We look for 0.9600 on our standard normal table, and the closest value we can find is 0.9599. That has a z-score of 1.75, so that's your critical value. The choice here is B. The critical value is 1.75. Now we have enough information to perform our hypothesis test. Let's recall the information that we have. Mu less than or equal to 1170 is the H naught. Mu greater than 1170 is HA, and the HA here is the claim. The test statistic is Z equals 2.27, and the critical value is 1.75. So if we draw a graph, we have our 1.75 with our rejection region shaded to the right, and when we plot the 2.27, it falls to the right of the 1.75 in the rejection region. So our decision here is to reject H naught. But remember, H naught is not the claim. We have to keep that in mind because when we state our answer, we're always stating it in relation to the original claim. When we reject H naught, then we can support HA. And so our claim should be written in such a way that we say we're supporting HA. So our decision here is to reject H naught. At the 4% level of significance, there is enough evidence to support the claim, which was our HA. And that's your answer.